Hey everyone! Today we're reviewing the REDTIGER F7N Touch, a feature-packed 4K front and rear dash cam with STARVIS 2 sensors, fast Wi-Fi, and a touch screen interface. Let's see why this dash cam is getting so much attention. True 4K front plus rear recording. The F7N Touch delivers 4K Ultra HD on both the front and rear cameras, capturing sharp license plates, road signs, and detailed footage from every angle. STARVIS 2 sensor for night clarity. With the STARVIS 2 sensor, the dash cam excels in low-light conditions, producing clear and bright nighttime videos without overexposure. 5 GHz Wi-Fi and 20 MB per second fast download. Thanks to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, video transfers are super fast, up to 20 MB per second, so you can download clips to your phone instantly using the REDTIGER app. 3.18-inch touch screen plus voice control. The 3.18-inch touch screen makes navigation and playback easy, and voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free while driving. GPS, loop recording and parking mode. The dash cam logs your GPS route and speed, supports loop recording to continuously overwrite old files, and has parking mode to monitor your car 24/7. Plus, it comes with a 128 GB memory card included. True 4K front and rear recording for full coverage. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi with app support makes video management easy. Touch screen plus voice control for intuitive and hands-free operation. 4K files take up storage quickly, may need larger cards. Parking mode works best with a hardwire kit, not included. If you're looking for a high-quality dual 4K dash cam with STARVIS 2 clarity, fast Wi-Fi, and smart features, the REDTIGER F7N Touch is an excellent choice. Check it out using the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tech reviews.